Hey, what's up YouTube? It is a Lego Master here with that video I promised about the NERF guns. So I didn't really get any videos, so I'm just going to pick them out in order. I'm going to shoot that little bottle. Okay? So I hope I do good on this, because I really suck at shooting, so I'm going to try to bring it like the camera like this. This thing turned around like this, maybe. Alright, I don't know what to do now, I really don't. I'll try to do it one-handed, I guess. I'm gonna move it, I guess, move the bottle so I can shoot down force. That way you can see it YouTube, I guess. I'm gonna try not to shoot y'all. I'm gonna do it like this instead. Put something under it, maybe. Hold on. Put something under it, maybe that will stand up like. There we go. Keep an eye on the darts. First up is the hook shot. I mean this little bitty one that shoot one at a time. That was the little bitty one. What is this one? What is this one? Okay. That one did not do anything. Next up are the these things. Okay. I'm gonna shoot one at a time. Miss. Miss. I'll get the darts later. Next up is the hammer shot. We got a hit. Grab the dart real quick. There's a hit, sort of. I'm kind of grabbing the darts as I go. Yeah, sorry about that. I misfired one. We're getting them loaded sometimes. Okay, so we shot all those. So what we shot before. The last one on the list is the sling fire. But for now, I'm going to turn it off and I want y'all to tell me what y'all thought, how y'all felt about this video, and the little bottle to shoot. Okay, YouTube. Then I'll sign out. I'll shoot the next video. Will be somehow I'm going to shoot the rifle. Okay, see you later, YouTube.